Hello everyone, welcome to Maven lecture series. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about how to do Maven build tool setup. So we are going to learn in this video how to do setup of Maven build tool. First step is to go to your command prompt and check if Maven is already installed on your system. You have to type mvn space dash version command in command prompt. So go to your start window and type command prompt, or you can just type cmd also. Enter. Black screen window will get open. So now I am in my command prompt. So I'll type mvn for maven space dash version and enter. See, I'm getting this line saying mvn is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. What is the meaning of this? That means Maven is not installed on my computer. So I need to install the Maven first. Now since Maven tool is not installed on my computer, step number 2 is to download the Maven from the internet. So I need to go to this link and download the Maven tool from the internet. So how do I do it? So right click on your browser, open, go to Google, type download Apache Maven. Go to the first tab, Maven, download Apache Maven. Right click and open it in the new tab. Scroll down. You can see over here Apache Maven 3.8.1 bin zip file is there. So we need to download this zip file. So click on this, say OK. So it will get downloaded like this. So once it gets downloaded, you can see over here Apache Maven 3.8.1 zip file is downloaded. So now we need to extract this zip file inside our C drive. So right click, say extract file, select the C drive. Okay. Then go to program files. We need to extract it inside the program files. Okay, so go to C drive. Inside C drives, you will find the program files folder. Inside that, you need to extract. So say OK. So now I'll check whether it is extracted inside the program files folder or not. So go to your C drive, then go to program files. Now I can see Apache Maven 3.8.1 folder is there. So it got extracted inside the program files. So we have extracted the zip file under C drive and inside the program files folder. So step number 4 is to set the environment variables for Maven. So we need to set 3 environment variables, that is M2 home, Maven home, and we need to edit the path. So go to your Windows Explorer. You can see this PC over here, or you can see my computer. Either you will find this PC or my computer. So right click on that, click on the properties, go to advanced system settings over here. So one box will get open. In that you click on environment variable. Now inside this environment variable, we need to set the environment variables over here. So how to set the environment variables? So there are two sections over here, user variables and system variables. So go inside the system variables. You can see new button over here. Click on new. So variable name you can give it as m2 underscore home. The variable value will be the path where you have extracted the zip file, Maven zip file. So go to that path. So I'll go to my C drive. I'll go to program files and Apache Maven folder. Click on that. Click over here. Now this is the path where my Maven folder is copied. So copy this path, paste it over here and say OK. So now my m2 underscore home variable is set. Now I want to set one more variable. So click on new again of the system variable section only and give the variable name as Maven home, Maven underscore home, and paste the same path and say OK. So we need to set these two environment variables m2 home and Maven home in order to work with the Maven build tool. Otherwise, Maven project won't be running successfully. Then we need to edit the path. So click on this path environment variable and click on edit. Now here we have to set the path for Maven build tool. Okay. So we have to set the path where the bin folder is there of the Maven build tool. So go to your C drive, go to the program files, then go to Apache Maven 3.8.1 folder. Inside that you can see the bin folder. Go inside it. So now we need this path. So copy this path and paste it over here. So we have to set this path in order to work with Maven build tool. So now instead of writing this entire path, we can also write m2 underscore home and then this person sign at the start and at the end. What is the meaning of this? M2 underscore home, this variable contains the same path. Okay, we have just now set the m2 underscore home variable. The path of this variable is also same. Okay, where maven is located, that path only is set. So this instead of writing entire path, you can just write m2 underscore home, or you can write maven underscore home. Okay, or you can write the entire path also as it is. C program files Maven Apache 3.8.1, that also you can write and then say OK. So now we have set all the three variables. So say OK over here also and say OK over here also. So we have set all three environment variables, that is M2 home, Maven home and path also. So lastly we have to repeat the step 1 to check if the Maven tool is installed on your system or not by using the same command of step 1, that is mvn space dash version. So again go to command prompt and type mvn space dash version and enter. See, if you get this message like this, Apache Maven 3.8.1 Maven home and the path where Maven folder is there, Java version, default local operating system name Windows 10. If you get all these things, that means the Maven is installed on your system. Earlier we were getting some message saying unrecognizable keyword, but here we are not getting that message. We are successfully getting the Maven home path and Java version details. So that means Maven is successfully installed on your system, and now we can work with the Maven project. So this was all about Maven build tool setup. Thank you.